Hey, you know what's great about Monday morning? Well, the only thing good about Monday morning, not going back to work, but getting packages. And here on Faithfully Bearded, we unbox packages on Monday. So, this week, this video, we're going to unbox a couple packages from Rugged Smuggler. And we're going to see what they got in here, how they package everything. And I've been excited to get this open. I've tried their products before, but never this many. I've just had one oil. So hit that subscribe button below. Hit the bell. Give me a thumbs up. And remember, this video, thumbs up, goes straight to charity. So let's get these unboxed and get first impressions right up after this. Alright, so I got two packages from Rugged Smuggler here, and I've been waiting to open these for a little bit now. They sit right next to my desk, and it's just been killing me because I want to open them. So let's get right into this. We're going to start with the big one just because I don't know. There's got to be something cool in here if it's big, and I don't even remember what I ordered. So grab the knife here, and we'll dig in. I've always liked the name of Rugged Smuggler and what they have going on, so I'm interested to see some more of their products here. So right inside here, we got some bubble wrap and we got something else in a package. I don't know what it is. I have a feeling we got a hat though. That's what I have a feeling outside this bubble wrap. You know what we do on our unboxing? We throw the stuff, we let the kid clean it up. That's what we do here. The floor becomes the garbage and the kid gets some chores. So I got their black hat right here, so we're just going to swap this out real quick. Put this on for video sakes. And it fits nice and good. It's a one size fit all hat type thing. So it's fitted in the back. This is comfy. This is a nice little hat here. And then we have, actually I got something like taped on the inside of the box in here. It's like taped in here. So pull that out. See what's in here. I'm assuming it's a little card of some sort. It feels like a card. Let's see what we got. Hopefully a sticker. I need stickers. Gotta have them. So we have a little business card. Rugged Smuggler, a little big business card here. Their info on the back. It's always good to have that. And we have a sticker. Just what we needed. We needed another sticker. So happy with that. Put that in the sticker pile, and then we have a note. So we have a handwritten note here. I love handwritten notes. It's personalized, and it just means so much to me. So it says, "Hey Tyson, thank you for ordering our Galley Citrus combo and one of our rugged hats. Hope you enjoy the products and enjoy rocking the hat. Thanks again for shopping with us, and if you need anything, please reach out. Look forward to hearing your thoughts. Keep it rugged, Daniel." So again, this is one where I purchased the products on my own, just because I've heard of the company and wanted to review them. So I reached out, put a list together, purchased the products myself, and now I have them, and I've had them for a little bit, but I wanted to wait until Monday to get my review out. So here we go. So now we got this little package right here. We'll see what's in here. We're just gonna cut it open. It's got their little baggie with their logo on it, which is pretty awesome. They got a pretty cool logo, in my opinion. One of the better ones. I mean, it doesn't really have anything, like the logo just doesn't really have anything to do with beard, and that's kind of cool, like it's a ship and they kind of roll with that. They so in their packaging, like this is a bottle of oil. It's like bubble wrapped, and then they have their logo on a sticker that's holding the bubble wrap shut. So that's pretty unique. You don't see that very often. And then we have here, this is the Galley Citrus oil, and they have it in these amber glass bottles. So you got the square glass bottle that looks really classy and really nice, and then you have the metal twist off top. So I'd assume there's the stopper, the drip stopper type in here. Yep, and there is. And this definitely smells like citrus. I get the orange citrus smell out of it right away. So I'm excited to jump into that. And then we have the same thing here, but it looks like it's going to be a bomb, I can tell. So same type of packaging, and we got the shrink wrap on here. We're just going to take that off real quick. Now this is like a 1 ounce tin of balm, 1 ounce tin. And it smells pretty close to the same, a little bit more balm-y. And it's very soft, really soft balm. I like that. I enjoy soft balms way better than hard balms. If you follow me at all, you know that I'm not a big wax, big balm type person. So that was what was in there, what was in this big box. Throw that on out of here. And we'll open up the next box. So the next box is a little bit smaller. It's their branded box, so keep it rugged. This is their normal branded box, I suppose, if you don't order a hat. So we'll slice that open, cut it open here. You lift up the flap right here, you got their logo, so that's pretty awesome. And then, uh-oh. So we have another little sticker, I'm assuming, and card, but we got the awesome eco-friendly paper, and you guys know what that means. Stay tuned for that. Let's see what's in here. What do we got? What do we got? I would assume it's going to be the same as last time, so let's find out. We got the card. Same card as the last package. We got a different sticker, so that's pretty cool. So we get this sticker this time. So it says Rugged Smuggler, black and white. And then the last package was this round one. So that's cool. We got 2 different types of stickers. I like that. Thank you for your order. And enclosed you'll find Smuggler's Cove and the original scents. It's one of the favorites. Enjoy. Keep it rugged, Daniel. I love the personalized notes. They just mean something to me. So it looks like we have like a little sample in here, just a tiny little sample of snow melt. I've tried snow melt before, and I will give my opinion on that in the review. It's not, I don't have it in this like in this package that I ordered because I already have the oil. So, but this is how this is coming in this package, just like this. So then we have another beard oil right here, same type of bottle, same twist top. This one is Smuggler's Cove, and it doesn't say what it is, so I don't really know. So it's a guessing game. I mean, I know if I go online and look, I ordered it for a reason, but yeah, I'm not 100% sure what that's gonna be. I mean, I smell a few different things in there. It's a little complex, it seems like, which there's nothing wrong with that. I'm excited to try it out. And then, tested on rugged men, handmade in the USA. Keep it rugged. That's pretty cool. That's what it says on the back. And then you got their packaging, their logo right there. But this stuff is pretty smooth, as you can see. So pretty smooth, and then it's gonna come out really easy, just like that. You see? And then you put it in the palm, and I mean, it mixed up that quick. That was pretty easy. Pretty easy. So that's about like that. I love their branding. I love their labels on their bottle. These square bottles look awesome on the beard shelf. They stack good on the beard shelf, I feel like. I'm not a big fan of these drip stoppers, so we'll see if theirs is any different than any of the other kinds I've tried. But I would much rather a dropper, the normal style dropper. It's just easier and cleaner for me. I get these little oily with the leads and the things like that. But other than that, that's what was in the packaging. Now these guys shipped quick. I ordered it, and it shipped like the same day, I believe. And then within a couple days, I had it. So it was really quick shipping. The packaging was great. The labeling is great. How they do everything. The personalized note, the stickers. The personalized note, I ordered one order. He boxed it twice, it looks like, or boxed it in 2 different boxes because it didn't fit into one, and wrote 2 separate notes. So he personalized the notes for each box and what was in it, and it was only one order. I only placed one order, so that's pretty cool. Ever since I ordered, he has also reached out on Instagram to just see if I got the product and if it arrived nice, and I really appreciated that because he's following up. He sees that it's delivered. He's following up to make sure that everything arrived right and that I'm a satisfied customer. So I told him, hey, I haven't opened it yet because I want to do an unboxing for YouTube and a review, so I'll get to it. Well, today's the day. So, you guys, I'm going to get into this and start wearing it out. Give me a subscribe, hit the bell so you know Wednesday I'm going to have a video, and then subscribe to my channel, give me the thumbs up, hit the bell, leave a comment down below, let me know if you've tried Rugged Smuggler, and if you have, what is your favorite scent? Give me some ideas of which one I should be trying first, and which one is your all favorites, and remember that the number of likes this video gets is what we're going to donate to charity on Friday. I don't have a charity picked out yet, so you could also comment below of which charity you would like to vote for donations on Friday. So however many likes this video gets before Friday, that's what we're going to donate to charity. So spread the word, share the video, and let's get it out there to everybody and get some likes going so we can give this to charity. So as always, guys, thank God, first and foremost, Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. He's the reason that we can do all of this, and you guys are another reason that we can do all this. Without you watching these videos, hitting that thumbs up, hitting the subscribe buttons, there would be no point of us making videos. So we really appreciate you sticking around to the end to watch these videos. Watching them all the way through really helps. Hitting that subscribe button, telling your friends and family that, hey, there's this faithfully bearded guy. He does pretty cool reviews. He's got a really dry sense of humor, but if you get it, it's pretty funny. And he likes to do unboxings and talk about these companies for a full week. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wear this for a week. Whatever video I put out on Wednesday, I don't even know what it is yet. It's just going to be a surprise. And whatever it is, I'm going to be wearing Rugged Smuggler. And on Friday, we're going to have a review video come out in the morning. Friday night, we're going to have the Bearded Devotional, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to give away some Rugged Smuggler. And I haven't even talked to these guys yet. So if they're not willing to give away, which I'm sure they will, but if they're not willing to give away, you're just going to get my stuff because we're doing a giveaway because that's what we do. And then we're going to have the devotional as well. So if you have any prayer requests, get those in. Hit this video so we can donate to charity. I want to see more than last week, and last week was 41. So we need to get more than that, and so we can donate more money every week to charity. So you guys are awesome. I thank you so much. Again, without you guys watching these videos, I couldn't do this. Without you staying around till the end, you wouldn't know what to comment, but you guys always know what to comment, and I appreciate that. Hit me up on Instagram. I love you all. Until next time, God bless.